It's a Chinese non-brand mobile phone, and this thing charges with micro USB. Let's see, is it work or not? Nothing, no sign of life. But the bad thing, I can see that the display is broken. Very bad. On the back side, this thing was glued. The good side inside the back shell, you can see the battery. Battery was swallowed, and I punched a hole in here. It is flat again, but not working. Let's open this thing and try to replace the battery and see is it work or not. My today's goal is not to fix this stupid button phone, but I'm trying something new. Okay, I screw all the batteries, but what's next? Yes, made a mistake. They use some metal piece so it can feel heavy. This is our battery. We need some thinner. Yes. Now we will remove this old battery and install new one. Nice. Nicely removed. The battery was thin, but I don't have this size battery. This one is 1200 milliamp hours. This one is only 485 milliamp hour, but it is thicker than this one. Small but thick. I need something same thickness, thin but very small. This one is thicker, 700 mil. This one is thicker, 300. This one is very small. I think I have only this battery that can fixed in here. Let's do it. I think at least this battery can run this phone half an hour. Let's do it. This two or this two? I think this two. Nice. Oh no. We can power it up. It's a success. It was dead and now it's running. Next time I will try to replace the LCD. I think this is enough for one day. It's not shut down. I don't know why. Yes, it's shutting down. Oh, so I need a new display. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.